This is the MSI Claw, and there's something really unique about it that I will get to in a moment. However, when you first look at it, it pretty much looks like any other sort of handheld gaming PC that's been released since the Steam Deck over the last few years. It comes with a nice 7-inch IPS 120 Hz touchscreen display that looks really good from sort of my hands-on and sort of limited testing kind of playthrough here with it. It does come with a nice good feel in terms of its build quality, not too heavy, not too light. The ergonomic controls feel good as well too. And it comes with all the RGB on those controls as you may want with it. Also has SD card support to add additional storage. But what's unique about this is that this is going to be running the brand new Intel Core processors inside of this. Usually when you see these handheld gaming PCs, they're typically running AMD-based graphics and processors, but this is going to be the first one running Intel's new Core Ultra 9 7 processors. That's like a mouthful to say right there. But that's really cool to see them jump into this. This means that it's going to be using Intel Arc graphics along with it as well too. It's going to have the ability to have Thunderbolt with Thunderbolt 4 with it. It's also going to have Wi-Fi 7 to future-proof it as well too. This makes it such an interesting device here. And now those new Intel Core processors are supposed to be pretty good in terms of battery life as well too. This is supposed to have about 53 watt hour battery with it. So we'll see how well and how long it lasts in a gaming session. But I'm excited to sort of see Intel kind of get into this space and really compete well with it. It's also going to have AI built into it with these new processors, which is going to become a more and more important thing with a lot of gaming coming up down in the near future. So it's going to be interesting to see how AMD sort of competes as more games are going to take advantage of that as well too. This is going to be running Windows 11, but it's also going to have MSI sort of overlay on top of it. So to be able to interact with it, it's going to be a little bit more touch friendly in sort of those cases. So far, that's been pretty simple to sort of use and kind of navigate around. We'll see more as things kind of come along the ways. It's supposed to have some really good cooling with it with Cool Boost Hyperflow to keep the system pretty cool during those long gaming sessions. Overall, I'm actually pretty excited for this because I like to see competition out there in this space. I think my only question is really going to be is how well it performs over time with all the other games that are coming out there. Are some games going to optimize for the Intel platform and take advantage of new features that may not be available on AMD? We'll get some discrepancy in sort of performance. We'll sort of see here with it. In my limited testing, it has been a pretty good experience so far. I am not sure on the release date yet. I believe the pricing starts, I believe at $599 and go up. I'll correct that and I'll put that somewhere here on the screen if I need to sort of change it or if I got that wrong. But I'm hoping to see when this releases out this year how well this sort of works out. Share your thoughts below.